counter with the sausage products in a large supermarket. Appetizing sausages are sparkling in front of customers. Their eyes are catching an abundant variety, but then quickly they are focusing on those which wear a special dress, natural intestine casings. Usually customers make their choice to buy such sausages. So, it's time to meet those who care about natural dress for sausage products. We are going to introduce a Hinkel-Kogut Company, the biggest producer of natural intestine casings in Ukraine, the quality of which has been widely recognized in the world. They tenderly call their powerful production a boutique for sausages. The gate of the boutique, area of which is several hectares, appears suddenly after a row of village houses deep in Haradok district of Lviv region. Hinkel-Kogut Company has been dressing sausage from Ukraine and Europe for 10 years already. For all this time, an immaculate quality has remained the main feature of intestine casings products. But all this started from a risky attempt of Bogdan Kogut and Evgeny Lobzin, two not well familiar people, to start a joint business. When everyone was selling and buying, the owners of the company were focused on their own production, and they applied all their efforts to be successful in the production, to secure working places. The results were achieved due to our commitment not only to the results, but also to quality of the production, conscientious attitude of the owners to their business and all working staff. It was their life and dream. They themselves started from the very beginning and worked using their hands before others came. 6:30 in the morning. In few minutes, an intensive work will start in the building. Rubber boots, having been dried since last evening in a special dryer, give an additional comfort. There is nothing special in contactless wash basins, but they also contribute to sterile cleanliness of the process. The final touch is disinfection before entering the production site, which is the heart of Hinkel-Kogut Company. Our company is aware that our products are sent to meat processing plants. Therefore, we give a serious consideration to safety of our products. To ensure that our products are safe, we are actively implementing a hazard analysis in critical control points system, which analyzes critical control points and GMP system. It's a good practice. Implementation of these systems is in concordance with EU standards. At Hinkel-Kogut Company, the cult of cleanliness is regarded as one of the whales which has kept the company since its foundation. 14 specially designed software programs control all the processes, from quality of water, raw materials, packaging materials, to personal hygiene of the staff. All contact surfaces that directly or indirectly can have contact with our products or raw materials from which these products are made undergo disinfection. Tables, gauge blocks, hands of the working staff, their uniforms have direct contact with our products. Thus, it's important to prevent the formation of any pathogenic or other microorganisms. We are taking a strict stance on keeping cleanliness, which is strictly controlled not only at the production site, but also in accredited laboratories. Besides, we use disinfectants that have been accredited, they are certified and applied by modern special disinfection equipment. Hundreds of thousands of meters of intestine casings pass through delicate female hands. A specific feature of the production is that you can process intestine casings and, in particular, calibrate them only manually. First, preliminary prepared raw material is washed through in special containers, and then intestine casing material is taken to the tables of the calibration workers. I am taking water, and an intestine casing is changing its caliber. It's thicker at the beginning, so we have to divide it into calibers. Then it's beginning to change its caliber. We are cutting it, then putting it in one place, checking it for holes and calibrating it. In the block there's a division on different colors, and carefully we are matching intestine casings to all these colors. Then we are putting it down. We have same colors on the table, and we are matching intestine casings to them. Colored rings have their numbers, which correspond to the number of a calibration worker's working place. Thus, there is a personal responsibility for every meter of in-testing casing. These colored markings is a characteristic feature of Hinkel-Kogut Company, as it's the only company in Ukraine which sells own marked products. Without false modesty, it must be admitted that Hinkel-Kogut Company is the leader of natural in-testing casings on the Ukrainian market. We are the only company which are using such industrial capacities to process natural in-testing casing. All other market agents in Ukraine are mainly trading companies which only sell in-testing casings. Another big achievement of Hinkel-Kogut Company is a solid team of high professionals. The majority of employees have been working here since the foundation of the company. Not everyone can master the calibration process, which requires mathematical thinking, a mathematical mind, and also requires concentration and commitment. We have managed to create criteria for calibration. We are conducting training on calibration, and, what is important, we do not have complaints from producers. The unique color of the in-testing casing after processing is a technological invention of the company, which is kept top secret. What is known for sure is that no chemical substance is used in the process. The relay from calibration workers is taken by measure workers. Every 91.4 meters or 100 yards, according to the EU standards, are measured manually. Despite development of digital technologies, manual method is the most precise in this production process. The next stage is salting of in-testing casings. Salt boulders are striking eyes with their whiteness. The salt, as other raw materials, is important from European countries. That is not because of their contempt of domestic producers. The fact is that there is not enough raw material within Ukraine for a company of such scale. Moreover, Ukrainian salt is not yet certified, thus cannot be used as a component in the production process, products of which are exported to Europe. Buying quality raw materials is not easy, but we have managed to find suppliers who provide us with raw materials which meet our strengths, safety, quality requirements and other criteria for producing quality hog in-testing casings. Also, we produce hog bladders, hog and beef in-testing casings. A mere fact that Hinkel-Kogut Company can export own products to EU countries is worth hundreds of statements about their high quality. Hinkel-Kogut Company is one of only 13 Ukrainian companies which belong to International Food Safety Management System. In one of such barrels, there are thousands of meters of natural in-testing casings for sausage products. Looking at the store of the ready products, you can only imagine the volumes of the company. In-testing casings will be brought to 90% of all meat processing plants in Ukraine and also abroad. At Hinkel-Kogut Company, they are proud to declare that every Ukrainian gets 1.5 meter of their product, whereas the whole globe can be wrapped several times with these casings. The final touch is sealing the barrels that can guarantee the quality and quantity of the product. And now, the casings of Hinkel-Kogut Company have been brought to Strysky Delikatesy, a local producer of sausage products. Whether they are sausages or used to be favored in the childhood so-called doctor's sausage or smoked sausages, they are delicately wrapped into natural in-testing casings from Hinkel-Kogut Company. A sausage in a natural casing does not only look more attractive, but is healthier, which is due to natural ferments. The product of Hinkel-Kogut Company, which is a natural casing, has been very popular. They are hog and beef in-testing casings. Hinkel-Kogut Company provides a big variety of calibrated hog and beef in-testing casings, which we use in our production process. We are satisfied with their products as they are strong and of a good quality. Telephones of Hinkel-Kogut sales managers are always busy. More and more meat processing plants would like to become clients for Hinkel-Kogut Company, and those who have already become clients are constantly increasing their volumes of supply. During its 10-year history, Hinkel-Kogut Company has established a very good distribution network. Among Hinkel-Kogut Company's clients, there are well-known brands and meat processing plants, such as well-known companies as Faro, Globino, Rosana. We also sell and export our products abroad and trade within the EU area. We have a very wide range of products, and it enables us to meet any needs of our clients, so we can provide them with anything they want. There are no secondary or unimportant clients. Each client is a big asset for the company. For us, each client is the most important. Whether it's a big meat processing plant or a small production site where 2 tons of sausage are produced daily or monthly, we care about each one. Several days have passed and appetizing sausages in natural casing are on the customers' tables. Meanwhile, at Hinkel-Kogut Company, they do not stop searching for new quality decisions for their clients. A novelty, which is about to gain top market rates, will be high-tech artificial casings, which do not have analogues in Ukraine. We are planning to start with artificial casings. That is a product which is not yet available on the Ukrainian market. As far as natural casings are concerned, we'd like certainly to increase our capacities, increase the production volume of beef intestine casings, thus ensuring working places. Consequently, it will enable an increase of revenues, economic development of the area. For 10 years, when Hinkel-Kogut Company has been working in Ukraine and Europe, it has evolved from a small business enterprise to the market leader. A partnership with Hinkel-Kogut Company is a hallmark of quality and prestige. Hinkel-Kogut Company is planning to keep his position by keeping to immaculate quality standards and continuous moving forward, because 10 years of success is only a starting point to new high tops.